right, here is the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera, 2160p full HD smart rear view mirror for cars and trucks, front and rear view dual cameras, night vision, parking assistance, included 32 gigabyte card and GPS from Wolfbox. Oh. Here's your 12-volt power. Here's the rear camera and connection cable. These are to mount the camera. Got a cable hider, GPS cable, cleaning cloth, mounting accessories, user manual. Here is the smart mirror. Camera right there. Clips onto your regular mirror. We are ready to power up. As we said, there is the front-facing camera there, and then we have the external rear-facing camera here. So we've got the 12-volt converter ready to go. So let's go ahead and power into the top of the mirror here, and we'll see what happens. Ooh, Wolfbox. There comes up the logo, and now you know you're in business because it played you a little song. And okay, so there you can see it's working, and it's the entire camera. So that's going to be the front-facing camera, which you can actually move and aim in different directions. Okay, it's dinging at me very loudly. Rear camera is not detected is what it says. So let's go ahead and plug in the rear camera so it can be detected. And that, I think, goes into the middle slot there. That's what fits into there. The rear camera, you can see, is what I'm pointing at myself right now. See, cruising around a lot. This would be really helpful to keep you out of trouble and to keep you safe. So now we can do split screen of each of the cameras, front and rear facing. These are touch screens, so go ahead and touch that and it begins to work. Pretty cool touch screen on this one here. And let's see, resolution, display mode, sound record, loop recording, G sensor, fatigue reminder, Wi-Fi, volume setting. Let's turn that down right now, low. Click tone, screensaver, screen brightness, explore, and then if I scroll down with my finger, you got mirror flip, rear camera flip, reversing line, GPS display, date stamp, speed unit, language, clock setting, time format, time style, DST, that's daylight savings time, flicker, help center, format reminder, format SD card, reset, setup, app download, product information. I'm going to go to format SD card. It says it's going to clear the SD card if I format it, but it says you have to format it first is the first thing you have to do. So now we've formatted the card and it should work properly. And then we can go back. And now if we go back to the camera, it is automatically, it's automatically recording there. So you can see, go back to the camera, it's automatically recording. Here is the front-facing camera. And if I hit the camera button, it'll go to, that took a picture actually. So this snapped a photo in case you need to do that. And I believe this is going to switch to the rear-facing camera. Oh, okay, so there's a split screen. Okay, so there you go. So now we can do split screen of each of the cameras, front and rear-facing. So you can toggle between split screen, front-facing, and rear-facing, and then, of course, you have all the different options to set the mirror camera display by, but good resolution looks like, and 4K display. So here's a playback button, and so there, let's just play it back. And you can hear there's a speaker, so my voice is coming out of there. And then it does have different files separated out. So here's front and here's rear. And you can choose what you want to watch. And you can play it back right on the screen there. So pretty slick device. I like the touch screen. I think that's a cool part of it. And it's got a nice display to it and lots of information. If you're going to be cruising around a lot, this would be really helpful to keep you out of trouble and to keep you safe. So very cool. Wolfbox G840S 4K mirror dash cam backup camera, 2160p full HD smart rear view mirror for cars and trucks from Wolfbox.